As you have doubtless heard, the Government of Alberta has declared a state of public health emergency. New measures have been introduced to stop widespread community transmission of the virus and to protect the healthcare system. These measures include the prohibition of indoor social gatherings, the closure of large venues, a phased closure of schools, and the recommendation that, where possible, people work from home. While these new restrictions do not introduce new measures for FAC, we continue to err on the side of caution and want to do all we can to love our neighbours by reducing the R number in the coming weeks. The rules may not impact us, but we can make an impact by choosing to go the second mile. Together we can make a difference to protect the vulnerable and stand with our essential workers in these challenging times. We've made the decision to suspend public weekend services at the Deerfoot and Southwest campuses effective immediately. There will be no in-person worship gatherings at our physical campuses until the weekend of January 9-10. All other events at the physical campuses will be dealt with on a case-by-case basis and always subject to AHS guidelines. Our online campus will continue to broadcast on Facebook, YouTube and livefeccalgary.com. Services will be at the usual time, Saturday 6:30 p.m, Sunday 9:15 and 11:15 a.m. This weekend we begin our Christmas series with a message called Leaving Home. Like Jesus, Mary and Joseph had to leave so much behind. Maybe that's what you feel right now, a sense of losing so many things. But none of this gets in God's way. Christmas, as it's always been, is still a celebration of Emmanuel, God with us. In our uncertainty, in our need and loneliness, in the big questions of our time, God is with us. We hope you'll join us for our Christmas Eve service of Carols by Candlelight, an hour of music and narrative celebrating the birth of Jesus. The services will be live streamed at 2, 4 and 6 p.m. on December 24, or you can watch any time after. Regular updates will be available in the FAC Experience app, which you can download on all platforms. With notifications enabled, you'll receive regular news. You can also opt in for our weekly email newsletter. We often say we don't go to church because we are the church. This Christmas we can personally show the love of Jesus by checking in on those around us, perhaps going grocery shopping for someone or picking up prescriptions if they're unable to go outside. Someone will also call you to see how you're doing. We want to hear from you if there's some practical way we can help. And most of all, we can pray for one another. We'll continue to serve with the same level of commitment you've come to expect, housing those experiencing homelessness, feeding the hungry, providing winter clothing to those in need, and assisting refugee families arriving in the city. I recognise for many of us this is a difficult time, but I'd encourage you to continue to support our ministry. You can give securely online or through the FAC Experience app. Thank you for your faithful generosity. My prayer for you this Christmas is that you will know the peace, the comfort, and the very real presence of Emmanuel.